Welcome back to Car Reviews Updates, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 BMW X1, a compact luxury SUV that's redefined what it means to combine practicality with premium performance. Whether you're a fan of the BMW brand or someone considering your next car purchase, this vehicle promises to impress with its innovative design and tech features. So, let's take a closer look at everything the 2026 BMW X1 has to offer. When it comes to design, the 2026 BMW X1 doesn't disappoint. The first thing you'll notice is its bold, muscular stance. BMW has fine-tuned the exterior, making sure it stands out with a more aggressive front grille, sleek lines, and modern LED headlights. The car now features sharper angles and a lower, wider profile, giving it a more athletic appearance. The rear end is just as striking, with a sculpted tailgate and a wider set of taillights that give the car a wider, more planted look on the road. Inside, BMW's commitment to luxury is evident at every turn. The cabin of the 2026 BMW X1 offers a perfect balance between tech and comfort. The spacious interior is packed with high-quality materials, from the soft touch surfaces to the premium leather upholstery. The seats are designed to offer both support and comfort, making long road trips feel like a breeze. You'll also find plenty of space for both passengers and cargo, with a larger trunk space than its predecessor. This makes the X1 not only a stylish ride but a practical one for everyday use. Now, let's talk about the technology. BMW has taken the driving experience to the next level with the 2026 X1. The centerpiece of the cabin is the massive 12.3-inch touchscreen, which serves as the hub for all your infotainment needs. This system is powered by BMW's iDrive 8.0 software, which is intuitive, fast, and easy to navigate. The interface is sleek, and the system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it simple to connect your smartphone for hands-free control. For audiophiles, the available Harman Kardon sound system offers a rich, immersive listening experience. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X1 delivers impressive performance. BMW has equipped the X1 with a range of engine options, including a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces around 240 horsepower. This engine provides plenty of power for daily driving and is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth shifting. The X1 also offers both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive options, with the all-wheel drive system enhancing its stability and traction in all weather conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling winding mountain roads, the X1 offers a dynamic, engaging driving experience that's true to BMW's performance DNA. But performance isn't just about power, it's also about safety and handling. The 2026 X1 comes with a host of advanced safety features, including standard forward